but it should cook. Ooh, I should make that gravy I haven't made in a long time. Girl. I'm going to, since I have some leftover coffee. A little bit of coffee from this morning. That's about a cup. Watch out, Morris. This is what we used to call sop gravy. I haven't made it in years. Your grandma will love this. Just take the gravy, pour it over bread, put salt and pepper on it, and that's your meal. We used to just eat that. Dip this in the flour. Now gravy I do use a whisk for, naturally. Get real thick. More water. These whisks I got from Pampered Chef, love them. They're so heavy duty. The ends have a little bit of weight to them. They hold up so nice. It is, you know me and kitchen tools, it's worth its weight in gold if it's good. It's a little more water. I'm just going to use the rest of the milk. There we go. That's going to be delicious. That's why I like those little cans of Carnation. Okay, get it back up to a boil without letting it get lumpy. Okay. 4 more minutes till it's done. A little salt. A little salt. Okay. Hell yeah. And then I have not made sop gravy. Oh my gosh. I may have made it once in the last 6 years. Okay, are we boiling? Yeah. At a steady boil. It just kind of, just a little bit, it's going bubbling. Don't let it bubble too much. Take it off the heat. Turn that off. Waiting on that timer. It should be done. It's still warm. I'm going to move this over here. So you do not put your stones. Got some extra seasoning here. I'm going to throw it in my jar. Put it in the freezer. Usually I pre-freeze it, then put it in the jar, but it's fine. I'm going to put that cookie sheet right there. Dehydrated some limes last week. This is just a little oxygen thing. I've been using those. I put them in my hot tea with some oranges. Dehydrated some oranges for my. Oh, there you are. Dehydrated oranges. Just throw one in the bottom of my hot tea. Okay, one more minute. Should be good. I'm going to take them out and check the middle. Hot pads. Definitely put hot pads on and not rags when I'm taking the stoneware out. Knife, fork. They are white in the middle. That's what we want. Let me see if I can show you off the camera. Okay, I hear you. I don't want to drop it. This is what you're looking for. White on the inside for pork. I think you can see that clearly. Yep, that is done. I'm actually going to put mine on a plate, and then I'm going to stick them back in the oven to stay warm. So Uncle Danny and Grandma get here. Put it on your great grandma's dishes that I love and I use almost every day. These can never go in the microwave because of the ring, the silver on them. Okay. Put that on my plate. Just gonna let these get in here and stay warm. They can make their own damn plates when they get here. Mashed potatoes. Some of that yummy melted butter on there. Morris is going crazy because he wants some, but heck no, that's a lot of work cooking these. I try to cook more than I need. Cook enough for a couple days. You can freeze them. I have frozen before, and then I just put them in the toaster oven when I want to reheat them. Get yourself a slotted spoon to get your green beans out. There'll be water in the bottom. And then get yourself one of these. Yeah, I hear you, Morris. Just pour a little gravy over. That's all there is to it, girls. And then usually there's a spoon right sitting there. Where you at? Whoop. And there's the dinner. All right. Let me know what you want me to cook for you, and I'll make you another video. Alright, love you girls. Bye.